Okay, Chloe. Come, let's begin. You have a choice. You can come here and show me your work, or you can just say it out loud. Quick, quick, quick. Hey, Sean, welcome back. Your arm okay already? Okay, thank you. So what do you think? How about Chloe? Tell us what formula is this that you're using? The rest, keep quiet. Marilyn, I cannot see your face. Please sit up straight. Okay, Chloe, what is this formula that I've just drawn a box around? Pi times 7 times 8. What formula is that? A length and breadth, but why is that a pi? If it is length and breadth, then it is length and breadth. But I see pi times 7 times 8. So what formula is that? Oh, got such a formula or not? No such formula. Okay, now we're going to remove this. We're going to start all over. This shape that we see is made out of two shapes. Okay, so Chloe, what are the two shapes? Wyatt, what are the two shapes? Square. Are you sure it is a square? Rectangle. Why is it a rectangle? Why do you change your mind from a square to become a rectangle? Okay, I think you need to come here again. I cannot hear you. Come here. Okay, so area. You are saying square, then you change to rectangle. So why is it a rectangle now? Different angle. No, all the angles are 90 degrees. What is different? Which one is different? Talk to me. What? Length of which one? Which length? Okay, so what are the numbers? 8 and 7 are different. Listen, class. 8 and 7 are different. That is why it is a rectangle. Okay, so what is the area of a rectangle given by? Formula. Area of rectangle is not half times base times height. The rectangle. So what is the formula? Formula for area of a rectangle. Somebody said the answer already. Length times breadth. What is the length? What is the breadth? Times 8. Okay, this is for rectangle only. So we still need to add another shape. What is the name of that shape? Semicircle. Good. Do you know the formula for area of a semicircle? Yes or no? Don't know. Okay. But what other shape is a semicircle related to? Circle. Semicircle is related to a circle. How are they related? Half. Okay. Which one is half of which one? Semicircle is half of a circle. So if I want the area of a semicircle, I'm going to have half times the area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? No or don't know? Don't know. Choose somebody to answer. Karin, Can you help out? What is the formula for area of a circle? What did she say? Then you ask her. You know, go ask her, what is it? Huh? Pi? No, not pi r square. That's not what she said. That's not what she said. Pi r squared. What does r stand for? Answer. Your answer is wrong. Wrong. Radius. R is for radius. What is the radius? What is the radius here? Radius. What is the radius over here? Which part is the radius? You know what radius is? Or do you need to ask it? What's radius? Okay, then you try to distract me. Where is the radius? You can point out, this part is the radius, that part is the radius. What is it? Nope. 8 is not the radius. 8 is the diameter. There you go, 9. There's no 9 over here. Okay, we need more help. Where is the radius, guys? Girls, where is the radius? Who say 8? Raise your hand. What is the radius? 4. Why 4? Divide by 2. Okay, so 4 is the radius. Okay, press. So our area is 46 plus 8 pi. Okay, okay. Square. Okay, equal. Okay, E-ray, is this correct? Correct. Okay, next one, Chloe, where is the perimeter? It's also wrong, lah. Wrong. The whole thing. Okay, outline the perimeter. With your finger, tell me where is the perimeter? Okay, here. Which one do you know? Which distance do you know? Which one do you know? 7, okay. What else do you know? This side you know, okay. Which highlighted still have? Which one do you know? This one. How much is this? This is also 7 there. 8. Any more that you know? Here, how much is this? 7. Any more? Missing one thing, right? How to find that? Do you know how to find the circumference of a circle? No, I don't know. Circumference of a circle. Just now we had a pi r squared. What is the other one that you remember? Huh? Very good. Pi d. The perimeter, the circumference is called pi d. What does d stand for? Diameter. What is the diameter over here? 8. So if I have the whole thing, I only want half of it, what should I do? What should I do if I want half of it only? I don't want the whole thing. I only want half only over here. Then how? Divide by what? Wait. Pi d is the whole thing. Okay, let's start with the simple one first. We've got a 7 plus 8 plus 7 plus this part, right? Okay, so how do we find that? If I tell you the whole thing is pi d. Pi d, which is 8. Is that going to be correct? Alright, this is for the whole circle. But I don't want the whole circle, I only want half of it. What should I do? Divide by what? The whole thing divide by the whole thing. Divide by half or times half or divide by 2? Divide by 2, very good. Divide by 2. Okay, calculator. Okay, E-ray, is this correct? Is this correct? Check answer. Let me check the answer. Thank you. You can go back. Right now, do you check the answer? Correct. Huh? Okay, next one. Human. Area of triangle. 28. Okay, correct. Okay, correct. Nice, yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, that's all. Any questions? Rectangle. I drew a rectangle because I'm lazy to spell out rectangle. Yes. What do you mean? What's on top one? The perimeter on top, 34.6. Why? Is there a problem? No, what is your question? You didn't catch the working. We are just adding everything up. Okay, Shah, your turn. Area 1/4 times pi times 4 times 4. 12.56. Area of what? Area of what? The whole thing? Ah, area of quarter circle. Okay, good. And then we have 10 times 7. So area of rectangle equals to 10 times 7, which is 70. Why 10 times 7 is 70? Okay, so final area 70 minus 12.56. We don't use 3SF here. We should use more. Minus 12.56. And you get What's this? 449? 449? Are you sure 449? 4.9. Okay, so this is our area. Perimeter. 8 plus 8. 2. Then where the 8.6 come from? Where the 8 and 3 and 3 come from? Where did this 8 come from? Can you outline the perimeter? No, stay here, stay here. Outline the perimeter. Hey, that's not the perimeter. Okay, do you know the curve?
Yeah.
What is the curve distance?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, but you know how to find out?
I'm not sure.
Okay, never mind, skip that part first. What else do we have? Besides the curve, what else do we have? Where's the outline? Outline. Show me the outline. Okay, how to find that one? No, this part. How do you find this?
Yeah.
How?
10 minus 4.
10 minus 4. How much is that?
6.
Then why you write 8? So this part, Shah is telling us that this is 6. What else? Oh, this part?
Then,
Where?
minus 3.
1 minus 3.
7. I mean, 7 minus 4.
Ah, how much? So he is saying that this is 3. What else? So how much is that? 6 and 3. Do you all agree? With all the straight line? 6, 3, 6, 3. Okay, he wants to find the distance of the curve. Y pi r square. What are you trying to find? What are you trying to find? Distance or area? Distance. Is pi r square for distance or for area? Area. So you shouldn't be telling me pi r square. What is the other formula? There's no formula for pi r. 2 pi r. Okay, what does 2 pi r give us? Look at what I'm drawing. 2 pi r is for the whole circle. Do I want the whole circle? I only need a quarter. So we should be taking 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1/4 of a circle, isn't it? What is the formula for 1/4 of a circle again? The formula that you just said? 2 pi. What is the value for r? What is the radius? 4. Correct. Now, this is for one of this curve. We need another one curve, isn't it? It is the same. So what should I do? Should I add again or should I times 2? Times 2. Okay, work it out. So here we have the working for the parameter. Okay, thank you. Let me check. You can put the pen up. 30.6 mm. Okay, thank you. Next one, Brian. Question 7. Circular garden, 2 flower bed on each side. Each flower bed in the shape of a semicircle. Find the area of the garden not covered by the flower bed in square meters. So I want only this portion for the area. So, okay, so is this what you want to tell me? No. Then what do you want to tell me?
4.2 km.
Okay. Diameter of the flower bed. The flower bed is over here. This 200 meters is the diameter of the entire garden. Okay, then.
To find both flower beds, it's 5 times 200.
5 times 200 square to find what? What is this supposed to be?
Flower bed.
Flower bed equals to what? Flower bed equal to. You're doing a calculation on the right hand side, but on the left hand side, it says flower bed equals to. Are you talking about the area, the perimeter, the cost, the distance, the type of flower area? Area of flower bed. Do you know where the flower bed is? Yeah, okay. These two shaded portions are the flower beds. So does this formula, pi times 200 square, give us the area of the shaded part? What is the formula for the area of the shaded part? What is the formula? Pi r square. What is the radius? R for radius.
Radius is 100.
How do you get area radius being 100?
200 to 200 meters. 200 meters is the flower bed.
Okay, do you know where the 200 meters is on the diagram? No. 200 meters is from here to here.
Oh,
So when you say you want to find the area of the flower bed, there are 2 flower beds. Do you want the area of one or combined? Huh?
combined.
You want to combine them, is it? Okay, so you want to find this and this at the same time. So are you like putting 2 semicircles together to become 1 circle? Okay, so you want to find the area of a circle, yes? What is the formula for area of a circle again? Pi r square. What is the value for r? Value. What is the value? Okay, then what's the diameter? Do you know where the radius is for the flower bed? You don't know where the radius is? Do you know what radius is? You know what radius is. So if I draw a circle, do you know where the radius is? From the middle to the side. Good. If I give you a semicircle like this, do you know where the radius is? Okay, correct. You do know where radius is. Where is the flower bed?
The radius is 40.
The radius is 40. Was that difficult? Then what were you finding difficulty with? What were you having difficulty with? What did you forget? It was not a case of forgot. So this gives us 50 26.5 square meters. This is the area of the flower bed, but they do not want that. They want the area of the garden not covered by the flower bed. Then how? What is this supposed to be? Good. Now this will give us 31415.9 square meters. Okay, what do we do with these two numbers? Okay, so answer will be our final area. What do we do? Area of flower bed, minus the garden. Does that make sense to you? You take the small area minus the big area. So we take the area of the entire garden minus away area of the flower bed. They wanted it in 3SF. So what's the value in 3SF? What's the value in 3SF? You asking me or you telling me? Okay, correct. Okay, correct.